I have the April Allure Beauty Box. So if you want to see what's inside this box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe, Bandit, Dexter, they're all in another room. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider giving us a subscribe. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so the Allure Beauty Box. This is a monthly beauty box. You're going to get some full size, some samples. We've been getting 3 or 4 full size, so that's been pretty right on. We get a little flyer, and then there's some information about their shop items. And here is your little sneak peek. Interesting item I already see. So we're going to start with the customizable option, and that was by Yves Saint Laurent. And this is their Beauty Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick. You could choose, it's a healthy, you could choose between Healthy Glow Plumper, Watermelon High, Flash Rosé, or Nude Lavallary. And I did get one of these previously, I think in Allure as well, and love it. So this is a $43 value. Guys, that's more than this box costs. And so it's just a nice light glaze on there. Such pretty packaging. Next, by New Lasted. Now this is a very pricey company. Where is it? There it is. This is a very pricey company. This is their Brow Shape Altering Serum. Let's read what it's supposed to do, because I think this is supposed to help it grow back. It's a peptide pumped treatment that helps boost elastin to strengthen hair at the root to prevent fallout. It also doubles as a styler. This is 3 milliliters, full size. It says you're going to notice after 12 weeks. And this is $84 right here. This little guy is $84. All right, I'm going to keep these on so I can see. Next was that interesting thing that I told you I saw. This is a Cryo Ice Sake Roller to depuff, sculpt, and detox. And it says, chill your skin to help soothe problem skin, reduce the appearance of pores, depuff under eye area, and lift your features. Best used with your favorite serums and eye cream. You're going to pop it in the freezer until it turns pink. Then let it sit for about 5 minutes before applying your favorite serum, and then gently press the silver end onto the skin, starting at the neck and moving upward. Continue massaging until the device is no longer cold, but no more than 30 minutes. This little guy is $55. I mean, Skin Inc. is a pricey brand. I feel like I'm just going to keep saying this because so far everything in this box is a pricey brand that I'd never be out there paying for on my own. So this is the end that you're going to start here, and you're going to massage your skin. It's going to be super cold. I'm going to save that for the summer, for when it starts. My glasses are so filthy I can't even see. For when it starts getting a little warmer out, and I want that cool relief. Won't that feel nice? Next is the Rosie by Rosie Jane Travel Spray. I love this company. This is a cruelty-free perfume brand, and I believe I do have this, so I'm not going to open, well, I'll open it up to show you what it looks like. So just some simple packaging. The scent notes are nude musk and sweet rose. It's not an overly rose scent, I'll tell you that. And this is 10 milliliters, $29 value. So so far, closest thing I could say is I purchased this and got everything else for free. Because that's the closest to the price. I went over last time what the price was. But I'll try to pop it up there. Okay, next we have probably 2 samples. The first is a 10% tranexamic acid face serum to improve complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It's paraben free, and this is by Omic, O-M-I-C. Yes, Omic Skincare. Now you're going to mix 2 or 3 drops of this with another serum or moisturizer, and you're going to apply it to the dark spots twice daily. This is 10 milliliters. The full size of 30 milliliters is actually reasonable. It's $39.99. We'll call it $40. So this is a little over a $10 value, and it's a nice size sample. And then last from Belief, this is their Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream. It's going to reduce the signs, the appearance of pores, and cool your skin. There's a cooling effect, visibly depuffs. This is 10 milliliters. So this says first thing in the morning, before a hot yoga session, or after a nighttime sweat, you'll instantly feel refreshed using this because it's got teeny tiny capsules made of eucalyptus leaf extract that cool on contact. The full size of 50 milliliters is $26. So again, not terribly unaffordable. Certainly not a bad price at all for something like that. All right, so what do you guys think? I think this is just packed with value. I think Allure's knocking it out of the park every single month. So I love the products I'm getting in here. I love being able to get like some of these really high value items, these big name brands, and feel like, you know, I don't know, feel like I'm shopping like a star, I guess. Tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite item? I had to tell you, I've used the Rosie Jane spray before and I love it. It's absolutely amazing. I'll tell you, the cryo roller is the most interesting. I don't know if it's my favorite, but it's the most interesting item in there. Something kind of different. So I'm going to go with that only because it's so different and so new. But everything I think was a pretty big score. All right, well, tell me your thoughts in the comments down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.